Okay, hi, Pete. This is um, I'm doing this video here just to show you that actually everything is running the way it should be running. Um, it's not that your answers are wrong or anything like that. You know, there's many ways to answer a question like that. You can well, you created your own hyperlink to represent that. It's not wrong. It's just that's not the most suitable way to do something like this. It's not the easiest of ways to implement using code. Okay, I'm just gonna try. I'm just gonna show you actually and explain my code how I wrote that thing. Okay, you can actually run these things off the desktop. But to make it easy for us, then I'm just gonna create a folder here. Okay, my microphone is very close to the keypad and the touchpad here. So every time I try and type something, every time I click the touchpad, it makes a sound. Okay, so just bear with me. There's nothing that I can do. I don't have another microphone attached to a headset or something like that. Okay, so I'm just going to name this. I'm going to name this tact. Okay, just going to minimize that. Nothing distract us. Where did it disappear to? Here. But the accept terms here, the current doesn't block and accept me. Just going to copy all of these to that folder right there. Okay, something else occurs to me here. Okay, I'm just going to explain your questions line by line, right? So let's actually go to my email. Close it the net here. Let's go to that. Okay, it's going to log on. Right, I'm sure you can hear the noise on the screen. Here you go. Alright, this is it. Question 6. Righto. You know what's better? What's better? I'm just going to download this. Download that. And I think I'm going to download, in fact, that, and that. Oh, this is cute. Okay. Alright. Get out of here. So I'm pretty tired, so I might make a few mistakes. Just don't worry. Okay, let's get started. Okay, cool. Down. Question 6. Okay, the clock first. Right? Now I'm not gonna read this whole story here. Right? But the clock does what it's supposed to do. Okay, I don't think we really have a problem with that. Right, it's the clock, 12 hour. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, it's supposed to display 12 hours. So display up. Oh, Okay, okay, here we go. Right. Now, I'm just going to explain the code here. Basically, what this piece of code does, it actually creates the text box that you display the actual digits in, right? The border, 2 pixels of wide, solid black in color. The font is the size of the actual numbers of the term itself, right? Background is gray, padding 5 pixels from left, 10 pixels from right. Okay, that's just the distance between the actual numbers of the clock and the border. Font family, what's going to look like, the width of the whole text box itself, border radius, 10 that's for curving, right? Color is right, is the border. Alright, that's the box border. Okay. I have the important thing here. We are using JavaScript. Right. So function, we're declaring a function here. It's going to take care of all our calculations and actually getting the clock up and running. Okay. V will declare a new date object. This object will actually get the date from the system itself. Okay. Now I'm using a 24-hour clock here now. Try to change that. I'll show you in a jiffy. Okay. H hours is v dot get hours. Get hours is a method within that class called date, right? And h is assigned to v. So h and v are more or less the same thing now, and they're using a method from this class date. M is equal to get v dot get minutes, getting seconds, s is second is minutes, z is equal to am. Right. Yeah. If sorry from rushing. Yeah, whatever you don't understand, just post it on WhatsApp. I'm trying to keep the video short so that it's easy to upload and download. Okay. H is greater than equal to 12. Right. If it is greater than equal to 12, then Z mustn't display AM, it must display PM. Okay. If H less than 10, H is equal to 0. As it will actually display a 0 before the number, right? Remember that h is equal to our hours, right? H is equal to our hours. Therefore, 0, we are displaying a physical character. 0 plus h, and also it will actually write there. So if your hours are less than 10, okay, if it's like 6 in the morning, then it's going to display a 0 plus the number 6. It will display 0, 6. Okay. M is exact same story as H, right? S less than 10, S equals to 0 plus S. Documents.java inbox. This is a Java call method. Java inbox. Display the hours plus that, plus a colon, plus the minutes, plus another colon, plus seconds, space, and Z. Okay, set timeout clock 360. Okay, that's it from clock. So when you run it, it will look like that. Okay, next question states, script you have read out of that, right? How I did it was, about the client page, right? Why do I keep putting this? Accept page, set terms. Right? Now, bear in mind that I'm using Google Chrome here. Internet Explorer is a bit different. You open the page, the clock using Internet Explorer. see the difference. Right, first it doesn't display indivisible Easy Explorer disables all JavaScript and ActiveX. For it to display, you will have to reload this and then allow block content to equals display. Okay. Now we'll open our accept terms file with Visual Studio. We could open this in Notepad as well, but I find Visual Studio much more welcoming. This code I've been using for so long. Okay, here we go. This this sets up the body. Right, this region right here is the body. It's that. In here, we define this border, the border around the edge of the actual container. Okay, the font styles, and then you have also got your checkboxes. Decline checkbox, which is already linked to our web page. So when we click this text box, it's going to open up this page using the HTML called window.location is equal to decline page.html. Right. So when you click on this button, on this checkbox, it is going to open up that HTML page. Right. Input ID. Okay. This is for the accept box. So when you click on the accept box, it's not going to open a page as in the decline box. It's going to first do a validation check. Right. It's going to run a function called confirm terms. This function, which has been defined in the head section using JavaScript, it's written script type text JavaScript. Okay. Function confirm terms. This is just the name of the function. As you can see, it has no parameters. Okay. If accept box dot check inside 0, that means if this checkbox here is false, it means 0 is equal to false. If this checkbox is not ticked, then run this line. Alert, please click the accept box to proceed. Right. If, however, this checkbox has a tick, then window.location run this page as a page.html. Simple as that. See? So, I'm very tired of sleeping. I can hardly think straight. If I went too fast, you just have to send me a text on WhatsApp. Okay. I think that's it. So, bearing all that in mind, I'm sure you can see where you went wrong. Not that you went wrong, you can see the idea. It's just that sometimes it's best to just do what the question wants us to do and leave it at that. Don't try to make it pretty. Thank you. Toodles.